Which of the following is incorrect? A circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry. Draw a circle. A line of symmetry, put a line through the center. Any diameter of the circle will be a line of symmetry. This half can fold on to this half about this diameter. One semicircle folds on to the other semicircle. A circle has infinite number of lines of symmetry. That is correct. A line of symmetry for a rhombus passes through the midpoints of its opposite sides. A rhombus. Think about it. If you have a line of symmetry about the diagonal, this will fold on to this. That is a line of symmetry. About this diagonal, this part will fold on to that. The diagonals are lines of symmetry. Midpoints of opposite sides. So suppose we draw a line like this. Will this fold on to this? If you fold it about this line, this will get folded somewhere here. This will get folded somewhere here. So about the line joining the midpoints of opposite side, we do not have symmetry. So the line of symmetry for a rhombus passes through the midpoint of its opposite sides. That is incorrect. It passes through opposite vertices. It's the diagonal, not anything else. Now check out choices C and D. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. It looks to be true. Draw the line through one vertex through the midpoint of another. This is perpendicular. This folds onto this. Perfectly fine. Which if you draw this altitude, that will also work. If we draw this altitude, that will also work. It does have 3 lines of symmetry. Some other random line will not be a line of symmetry. So this is definitely correct. A, V and W have only one line of symmetry. A, the vertical line is a line of symmetry. This folds onto this. Horizontal line is not. So that's one line of symmetry. V is very similar to A. Vertical line is a line of symmetry. Horizontal line, there is no line of symmetry. Only one. Sorry. W, again, the vertical line is a line of symmetry. This line will go sit on this line. This point will go sit on this point. This line will go sit on this. This side is a mirror image of this side. This will fold onto that. This has one line of symmetry. Horizontal line, it won't work. No other line will work. A, V and W have only one line of symmetry. That is correct. So the first statement A, C and D are correct. B is incorrect. That is the choice we are looking for.